everybody. We are in Philadelphia. We are popping up, doing our pantry pop up from Melanie. She lives in this house over here. We're about to knock on her door and go and raid her refrigerator. So let's go in here and see what she's doing this morning because she doesn't even know that we're here. So let's go. Hey! We came to Pantry Pop Up at your house.
I
Hi!
ain't got no hair done, clothes on, makeup.
Hello. That's exactly what I wanted.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good.
Hey guys, so we made it into the house. We surprised them. We surprised the children. And now we are in her beautiful kitchen. It's so organized. So I love everything about that. So this is Mel. We are in Mel's house doing a pantry pop-up, and I gotta show you guys something. So we walk in here thinking we doing something. We ain't doing nothing. Look at this. Look at this rum cake that she already had sitting on the stove. Walked in and she's pulling this out. Isn't that is so beautiful. So I need you guys to hit her up. Mel's Bake Shop. That's a beautiful, look at that. But once again, this is Mel. We are doing a pantry pop-up in Mel's kitchen. Check her out for her. All of her baking is probably going to be dope because I'm going to have my husband taste this later. But Mel's Bake Shop, we're going to now raid her cabinets and she's going to get out. Wow. Okay. Well. All right. So, yeah. She has a little bit of everything in here. She has hash browns and she has mozzarella cheese. We're probably not going to use anything in here because that'll probably take forever for us to thaw it out. Let's see what her refrigerator's looking like. Okay. When I say a variety, we got a variety of things in here. We have different cheeses, Parmesan, 3 cheese. We have, whoa, avocado oil butter. We may have to use this. Well, looky here. Wonder what she planned on making with these. I think we're gonna steal this right here. We'll take that. We have all kinds of sauces, and she likes ragu. We like that. We like ragu too. Heaven. Seasonings. Salmon rub. Crab oil. Creole seashell. She likes spicy. What's this? So this is the second thing that we've seen with sriracha. So I think we're going to, and it's not even open, but I think we're going to actually open it. Since she has the sriracha sauce, why not use the sriracha oil? So what it looks like to me is we're going into a spicy, sweet, tropical, spicy, sweet, tropical flavor with what we're going to work with all of these ingredients right here. So let's get started. Let's start putting some things together, trial and error, and get this pantry pop-up started. Let's go. So after about a while, we finally got the entire meal finished, and the pantry pop-up was a success. So we made shrimp two ways. We sauteed some inside the bourbon and Taylor's pork. Then we also used some coconut flour and fried some up and added some pineapples. It's crazy. So when I tell you this is a meal mashup, wait till you actually see the plating. We're gonna have them taste it. So we have the whole family sitting at the table, and they're all going to try it at the same time. So we're gonna see exactly what everybody's reactions are. So everybody grab a fork. All right. And go. His eyes got so big. See that? And there you have it, you guys. So we did our first family pantry pop-up. We had the entire family here. Mel's children are amazing. She let me take over her kitchen, and we are going to shut down shop. We will clean up everything, and we are going to get out of here. So until the next time, where will I be popping up next? Probably your kitchen. See y'all.